In this video, I am going to teach you how to create Metapixel in Business Manager. So in order to do that, first thing you need to do is to head over to business.facebook.com. You should be able to see in here this option as well. You can either log in with Facebook, log in with Instagram, or log in with the Meta Manager account. However, if you do not have those yet, what you can do is you can click onto this create new account in order to get started with business tools from Meta. In my case, I'll just head over and then log in with Facebook. Once you're done with that, you should be able to see in here your Meta Business Suite. So if you want to go and create a Meta Pixel within this Business Manager, what you can do is we just need to navigate to Events Manager. So it's not here right now because it's actually managed or hidden. Click onto this All Tools. You can see in here the Events Manager, so click on that as well. Now this will redirect you to this next part wherein you can see your business events manager for this right there. Now just wait for this to successfully load. So you can see this. What we need to do is we just need to head over and then connect data sources. Click on this connect data and then choose web right here. Click on next. Then after that, input right here the name. Let's input Facebook Pixel. Now this create option. You can either rename it and do what you want as well for this. Just wait for this to be created, and after you have named it, you have the option to actually prompt it and then integrate it with your website. Go to your events manager again. You can see right here that you can set up with the partner integration. Click on next right here, and then just follow the on-screen instructions in order to successfully connect that. You can input right here your partner or website URL. You can just scroll down and then look for that and then search for it and then click on next, and then you should be able to connect your website from there as well. So that's how you create Metapixel Business Manager. Hope we helped.